Good day, and this is Flash Creature 24. And now, today, I will be teaching you how to create a very basic map for Alien Swarm. It's a great game, and it only has one campaign right now. Well, one official campaign. Let's say it like this. And a lot of people are making like all these maps, and I've been getting some questions, because I also like to make maps, and I get a lot of questions like, how do you make maps and all that stuff. So I decided to make a tutorial, or a series of tutorial, just how to make Alien Swarm maps. So today I will be teaching you how to make a very basic map. Just normal, a floor, a few walls, and a spawn. So first, you want to pick a texture, and make a floor first, of course. So in filter, at the bottom, say floor, type in floor. Now you get all the floor textures, and just pick one. I'm picking this one. It's gray metal floor something. Not sure. Pick whatever you want. Just click and drag on the top view and press enter. I've created a brush. To move your camera around in the 3D view, use the WASD and the arrow keys. Just experiment with them a bit and get comfortable. It's just very easy, but you'll just have to get used to it a bit. So now we will need to make a few walls. So filter, wall, and just pick a texture. I'll pick this one. Concrete wall. And again in top view, click and drag. You can do this in any other view, by the way. I'm just doing it in top view, it's easier. And just drag up on the side or front view. Let's see, I'm not sure how big I should make it. I'll just do that for now. Shift click and drag, and you will just copy the brush and you can place it somewhere else. So I will just do that for now, because it's just a basic map. You won't be able to do that a lot later, because you have more complicated geometry. So just like that, and we have made our small room. Now we will need to place a spawn. So click the light bulb on the left, that's a entity tool, and on the right you will have the categories, entities, and objects lights in the drop down menus. In the objects drop down menu, type info player start and press enter. And now click somewhere in the 3D view to place the entity. Let's see, like that. It's gonna place it here. Click on the entity and rotate it. Just like that. You have to do this perfectly, of course, it's just a spawn. And now create some lights. Also, entity tool, objects, lights. That's everything. You have all kinds of lights, by the way, but I'm just gonna use this one for now. And I'm gonna place these through the 2D view. Just click the coordinates on two views to get all the axes right, and just press enter while on a 2D view. Sorry. Now get into the properties. So double click on the 3D view I'll select and right click on the properties, and then properties on the 2D menu, and you get this whole list of all kinds of options. For now, we want to take brightness and scale it down a lot. The lightning, lights, whatever, and alien swarm is kind of weird but cool in some way, and it really makes everything very bright. So we want to scale the brightness down a lot. So now we have our basic room, just lights, spawn, walls, and a floor. And we need to make a box around the whole map to make it compile correctly. So click the brush tool, browse, filter, tools, and click tools / tools no light. Just like that. Make a box around your map. Press enter. Tools, make hollow while still selecting it, and type -32. Press OK. Now we have a box around the map with the tools no light texture, and select it. Press Ctrl T to bind it to an entity, and make it a func brush. Name it structure seal. So that's just the most top option name, structure seal. Now we've done that, it's ready to be compiled. Wait, on a second thought, there is a slight angled camera in Alien Swarm, and on the top view it's from the south to the north, a bit angled. So we want to slope the angle a bit with the vertex tool. This is the most bottom left tool, and just slope it a little bit, just like that. Now deselect it and it will be sloped. Just click and drag on the vertices. Now save it and do File, Run Map, or just press F9. Keep everything just like this. Additional parameters plus sv_lan space 1 space minus all detail space minus window because it will crash, Hammer will crash, so you have to restart Hammer all the time, which is kind of annoying. That's why you want to do window. All detail is just something for Alien Swarm, and sv_lan for it will keep giving errors of structure, connection timed out. So press OK. If you see anything yellow or red, it's not good. You don't want that. Just place something here in the comments, and I will try to help you with it. So now it's loading. Just run Alien Swarm, pick your character, whatever, start, and there you go, your basic map. That's basically how you do it. In the next tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make alien spawns, so we have something to fight in this very basic room. So we'll see you next time.